I read that one, and oh yeah, this is great. And Braj Leela, from that time, and that was rag. That's rag. I said, I want this. I don't know what it is. I don't know what. I want to. I like this Krishna. I like this Radha. I like these gopis, the cowboys. All this whole. I want to be there in that Braj. I want to live there. I want to go there. I want to be with this. I knew that then. So this is rag. Rupa Goswami says the same thing. When you see particular murtis, when you see some Rasalila drama, or you read some lilas about Krishna, Vrindavan, all the different Brijvasis and all the different rasas, and your heart reaches out. You're not spontaneous, but I think in one sense you can say, it's just your heart reaches out to Krishna in that loving mood of, it's called rati, sthayi rati, and loving mood of a friend or a mother or a servant or a gopi, beloved, then that's where it starts. That's because Raganuga Bhakti means following the resonance of Vrindavan in a particular sthayi rati or mood of, eternal mood of love. So each one will have to see how that magic manifests within your own life. It can't be dictated. There may be a Raganuga guru, and he gives Siddha Pranali, and even gives Siddha Pranali to disciples, and they never go anywhere with it. They have that great fortune from the Guru, Siddha Pranali, but they don't have rag. The Guru is just unlimitedly Karunamayi, Vaishnav Kripambudi. Karunamayi Radharani.